The other general approach to testing is white box testing. In white box testing, the designer has knowledge of how the software is actually written. That means you're actually looking at the code when you design the white box tests. White box testing is often called structural testing or sometimes glass box or clear box testing, but white box testing is the preferred term. The idea is to exercise software knowing how it is written. Back to the cruise control automotive example, a white box test would look at all the lines of code and make sure that all the paths in the code are exercised, and if there's a lookup table, make sure that every entry in the lookup table has been tested, knowing exactly where the boundaries are between when each entry in the table would be applied. An advantage to white box testing is that it helps get high structural code coverage. Black box testing struggles to hit all the lines of code because it's operating blindfolded. With white box testing, if you miss a line of code, you can say, oh, there's a line of code I need to test. Let me think about how to get at that line of code. The good news is, with white box testing, you can get at all the lines of code because you get to see what's going on. An important disadvantage, though, is that you don't necessarily test code that's missing. What do I mean by missing code? Well, let's say there's a special case you should handle. If that special case is not in the code at all, nothing in the code will tell you should be testing for it. That means that black box and white box testing both have their roles, and you should be using both of them for unit testing.